Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 7. Again, thank you guys for joining me for Cookmas, where I will go ahead and bring you guys daily videos throughout the month of December for the holiday season. So for today's recipe is going to be super easy and super quick. We are going to go ahead and make a tasty baklava dip. Baklava is a layered pastry dessert made of usually phyllo dough with chopped nuts and sweetened with syrup or honey. In this case, we are going to go ahead and incorporate all the wonderful flavors of a baklava, like the honey, the cinnamon, the nuts, and the fresh citrus zest. And we're gonna turn it into a dip that you guys will not be able to resist. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during this Cookmas season. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is the baklava dip. As you can see, I went ahead and put a little bit more of the honey and cinnamon on top. Went ahead and served that with some wheat thins that I went ahead and drizzled a little bit of dark chocolate on them. When you do eat it with the crackers, it does remind me of flaky baklava layers with each bite. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. It was very quick and very easy. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do like baklava. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.